Tumusifu Yesu Kristo. Minene na minene. Abantu bali asaye biamole. Biamole naende. Nkoko akwamboka Simba umorugio Simba Rati. Biamolo. Now allow me to request Mheshimiwa Nyororo to translate for me. First, please receive the greetings from Governor Simba Arati. We were actually on the way to Nairobi. I saw so many tents here. I called Governor. I told him I'm not going with you to Nairobi now. He asked me, where are you going? I told him I've seen a lot of your people. Let me come and wish them happy Sunday. So I just came and crashed into the meeting. Obebo did not invite me. I'm sure he did not deliver even the cards to the governor. So the contribution I'm going to give is for me and the governor. He will make sure he adds for himself and the governor again. I have just come. I have heard Mheshimiwa Alpha talk about Ogembo. I know Mheshimiwa Alpha was with Governor on Friday. They also talk on phone almost every day. I don't know why he was putting me into the mix of Ogembo. Then I heard Mheshimiwa Zaire talk about Barabara. But himself said the road will be done through the MCS. Mheshimiwa Ibrahim Gubo is here. The chair budget is here. Let them sort out their county issues. Now, the woman talked about Tamburenas and the boho. I'm sure Governor has also done so many bohos in different wards. And you also belong to the MCS. If you found you want boho or water, look for your MCS. I know Mheshimiwa Osoro has been calling me Chinese. Now that you have a Chinese first lady, and I've decided to bring umbrellas from China. Is it wrong? Now, the problem with those umbrellas, we did not spend the money from the county. If Governor decides to save his per diems, let me explain to you what is per diem. You see, like now, Governor is going to Nairobi. Our official duties. He's going to be paid allowances. You see, Mheshimiwa Osoro goes to US. Mheshimiwa Donya also goes. When they go to US, when Governor goes to Nairobi, they are paid allowances. If Governor decides to save his allowances and give women ESO, is it wrong? So if others decide not to save the money, it's their own problem. Or you want me to eat all allowances for governor alone? I can't finish that money. So let the people enjoy the money for their governor. And I want to request Mheshimiwa Osoro and Mheshimiwa Zahir. You know me, I'm not in any political party. If you have any function of a church or help the people, which you cannot invite the governor because of the political party, please invite me. I don't know if I give out the contribution now or how do I do it. But you know me, I'm going to Nairobi. Okay.